Oh, hey! Didn't see you there. I was just about to color this drawing. Guess I gotta think about these colors. Dang, there's all these different color combos though. Does this drawing even need color? Do I have what it takes?
Bow! You do have what it takes. It is I, Rainbow Ricky the Magnificent, certified color wizard. I've been inside you this whole time. Oh man, you don't look so hot. We gotta get some colors in you. Stat!
I remember.
The rainbow, where all the colors come from. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, papa. They've always been there, but you were too blind and too dumb to see it. But it's okay.
This feels familiar.
The hues, the tones, you've always known. The color wheel.
That's right. It's all coming back to me. Complementary colors. Two colors opposite of each other on the color wheel that make a harmonious combination. These are great for my drawing! With these two colors, I'm good to go. Thanks, Ricky.
You idiot! What about three? 3 colors.
Both?
Split complementary colors. Look it up when you get home.
Ooh. Ah.
Check out my sick drawings. There's a reason why they call me the color wizard.
I don't know. That might be too complicated. I'm feeling a little blue. Maybe I'll just stick to one range of colors.
Oh, monochrome. Oh, let's add some highlights for a little zhuzh. See how that draws more attention? That's because there's high contrasting colors in it now.
Oh yeah! Like the ones in my hair! If they were on my toes, then I'd be drawing attention to my toes.
Oh, I'm not that kind of guy. Put those dogs away. Some things should not be that bright. That's why you gotta keep things low key, low contrast. Slip into the shadows. Everything making sense, kid?
I guess so. But isn't it all about balance? You can't have a piece that's too low-key because then we won't be able to see it, right? And if you have a piece that's too high-key, it'll be too obnoxious.
Anyways, isn't it a little hot in here? Isn't it a little warm? Watch this. Isn't it a little cool in here?
You ever see a chili orange? You ever see a piping hot green? This is the stuff that changes lives.
Willie! Willie! You alright? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, Willie! Got into the damn peanut butter again, didn't you? Well, get up! We got a lot of work to do.
Right. Okay.